In this video, I am going to talk about 35 free certification courses on machine learning for developers. Basically, this course will help you to learn how to integrate machine learning and artificial intelligence into systems and applications. So let's see what are these 35 free certification courses that you can do here. And one thing I must say that all the courses are offered by Amazon Web Service. These are the Amazon Web Service free training courses with certificate. So the first course here we can see Twitch series Amazon Web Service Power Our Machine Learning. And the second course is here AWS Foundations, how Amazon SageMaker can help. Now going for third course, it is AWS Foundations Machine Learning Basics. Next one, Machine Learning in the Cloud with AWS Batch. Exam Readiness AWS Certified Machine Learning Specialty. Next one is Detect Automails in Game Transaction with Machine Learning and SageMaker. Practical Data Science with Amazon SageMaker. Then next one is the Machine Learning Pipelines on Amazon Web Service. Exam Readiness AWS Certified Machine Learning Specialty. Then Amazon SageMaker Build an Object Detection Model using images labeled with ground truth. Okay, here is another one, the AWS Certification Quiz Show Machine Learning Specialty Exam Episode 2. AWS Certification Quiz Show Machine Learning Specialty Exam Episode 1. Then Worker Safety Projects with AWS Deep Links. Amazon Transcript Deep Dive using feedback loops to improve confidence level of transcription. What is artificial intelligence? Then next course is Machine Learning Security, Developing Machine Learning Applications, Machine Learning Building Blocks, Service and Terminology, Semantic Segmentation Explained. Then here is Building Recommendation System with MXNet and Glon. Next course is Neural Machine Learning Translation with Soke. Machine learning algorithms explained here in this course. The next one is Understanding Neural Networks, Automatic Model Tuning in Amazon SageMaker. Then Satellite Image Classification in SageMaker, Deep Dive on Amazon Recognition, Building Computer Vision Based Smart Application, Hands-on Recognition, Automated Video Editing. Next one is Anomaly Detection on Amazon Web Service. Build a text classification model with Amazon Web Service Glue and Amazon SageMaker. Process model. Speaking of machine learning and neural languages processing. Think Clearly, Computer Vision Theory. Then Advanced Analytics with Amazon SageMaker. The Elements of Data Science, and the last course is here, Machine Learning, Terminology and Process. So here you can see these are the 35 total courses, so you can enroll one by one. So to enroll these courses, all you need to do, just simply click here this sign in button. Here you can see free courses, so click here sign in. When you click here sign in, then here you need to select here again sign in. Okay, then if you are new here, you need to click here create Amazon account. But if you already created an account, then you need to use your mail password and click as sign in. Then you'll be able to enroll this course and you'll get your free certificate. If you face any problem regarding creating an account, then just comment here. I'll help you to create an account. Check the video description to get the link of these courses.